Hello and welcome to Copper State Treasures. I'm Tim. Today we're taking a trip out to the Barrett-Jackson auto auction in Scottsdale. The thing I love about these MGs is it's kind of that early 20s style, even though this is 1953. You've got the headlights separate from the fenders. You've got that classic vertical grille coming up to a point with the radiator. You've got the bonnet lifts up. I have to say bonnet because it was a British car. Actually, the boot there's not much there other than the top boot. Just really nice classic style. These cars are so small it probably fit in the back of my F-150 pickup. So let's see what else we can see. Is that a 32 Chevy coming up? So it's always nice to see a classic car you love. It's a 32 Chevy. It's the 6-cylinder, of course, because they went to the 6-cylinder in 29. Really nice. Our father's family had one of these back in the 30s. But it was the 4-door sedan. The wire wheels, it's the smaller wire wheel. So you've got a larger center hub, larger hubcap. But very, very nice car. Nice taillights.
I like the taillights, Tim.
Yeah, double taillights.
It's beautiful.
I love the instrument panel on these Chevys. I don't think you can see it with the camera. And the guy got after Jason before we could get the camera around to look at it. And oh my gosh, here we have 1926 or 27. No. It's the 2627 Roadster pickups had almost the same looking type steel bed with the wood in there, where the fingers are kind of attached here. I've got a 1925 pickup bed. But, it's a 28 or 29 because it's got the oval speedometer. And looks like a nice restoration. It's a 29. So you'll notice on this car, compared to our 1928 Model A, it's got the different headlight. It's got the newer headlight where it's kind of this curved, straight, and then these little things here. Whereas the 28 Model A, the early 28 used, had just the vertical deals. Very nice. Man. Wouldn't you just love going to Home Depot and something like this?
Yeah.
Look at the edge work on the glass.
Wow.
Kind of neat.
Yeah, I love those wind rings.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Look at it.
All right, so coming up here, looks like we've got An old curved dash car. It's got a crowd around it.
1958?
Yeah, it's a reproduction, but man, look how beautiful that is. You're gonna have the motor back here, and look at the rear end there. You got that cool little chain drive. These are, the brakes are probably modern. Look at those modern cables.
It's a single cylinder engine.
Yeah, it's a hit or miss engine. Let's see if I can get up here. Is this Oldsmobile?
It says Surrey.
Oh, it's a, no, that's the body style. It's a Surrey. Maybe that's the company. I don't know. Got the tiller steering wheel. It's an interesting leaf spring setup here. Looks like it gives it some stabilization, this way. Huh. Very interesting. Interesting repro.
See, they changed them in the 70s. 69, bigger car.